Hi children, this is the Science Work Health and Movement for Tuesday the 16th of June. So we're going to identify that a balanced diet is needed in order for you to stay healthy. Okay, go through the slides, each of these. Can you think of any reasons of why we eat food? And then we will focus on what balanced diet means. So we're going to look at a food pyramid, which is this here. It's the top of the pyramid where you can eat small amounts and usually use it as treats, small treats, but not eaten too often. Then you've got your protein, getting bigger. Even bigger is your fruit and vegetables. And then you've got to eat your carbohydrates. And then each slide will focus on the 5 different groups. So carbohydrates, read the information, what foods are called carbohydrates and what are they good for our bodies for. Fruit and vegetables, protein and dairy, and fats and sugars. And then on a plate, what foods can you see on this plate? This shows you how much of each different food group that you should have in your diet. So small amounts of fats and sugars, dairy products, large amounts of carbohydrates, fruit and vegetables, and proteins. Okay, and then this explains how people who do not eat the right amount of each food may start to feel tired and poorly. However, some people have food restrictions. I'm sure you're aware. Vegetarians, some people can't eat wheat or dairy products, but they still need to replace their diets with other carbohydrates because you need your energy. So for the work packs, choose one of them. You've got this food pyramid. In this one you've got some keywords to help you to put into the right groups. And then you've got to create a balanced meal for each of these people. So here's Tim, this is a vegetarian. What kind of meal could they have? Write down what you would serve each person and make sure you include the correct proportion of each group. So this is Celia, she cannot eat wheat, and this is Luke, he cannot eat dairy products. Okay, see if you can conjure up a tasty, balanced and healthy meal for those 3. That's the harder sheet. Okay, and then extension, if you've got time, you can challenge yourself to draw a healthy, balanced meal on a paper plate. Use the food pyramid sheet as a guide to help choose correct foods from each group, or if you want to, make paper mache foods out of newspaper, Modrock or other modelling materials to stick onto the plates and then paint when dry. Okay, and then at the impact you've got your answers.